Hi, I'm Landon, and I'll be walking you through how to download Zamplo. Zamplo is a connected health platform that empowers individuals to stay connected to their health and health community. It provides one central location where an individual can store all their health information. Zamplo is a digital platform that can be accessed through the web using a desktop or through a mobile app using a phone or tablet. In this video, we will go over the 3 ways you can access Zamplo, including App Store, Google Play, and Web App. Let's start with downloading from the App Store. To begin, open your iPhone or iPad and navigate towards the App Store. In the bottom right, click Search. In the search bar near the top, type in Zamplo, and then click the blue search button in the bottom right corner. Here you will see Zamplo. Go ahead and select Download. Next, let's look at how to download from the Google Play Store. To begin, open your device and navigate towards the Google Play Store. At the top of the screen is the search bar. Type in Zamplo, and then click Search. Here you will see Zamplo. Go ahead and select Install. Finally, let's take a look at how to use Zamplo through the web app. To begin, open your favorite web browser. This may include Google, Firefox, or Safari. From here, you can type our website in the search bar to go directly to the sign-up page. Alternatively, you can search Zamplo and go to our website. From our website, you can click on the orange Sign Up for Free button in the top right corner of our navigation. All 3 of these methods can be accessed through our website on the bottom of each page. And that's it. You can now begin to use Zamplo to support you on your health journey. Take a look at our other tutorial videos to help you get started.